Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to dropship Temu products to your eBay store. So as you can see on the other tab, I have here my Temu account, and on the other tab, I also have my eBay account. Okay, so first, you just have to open our account here, and then let's just look for the product. Let's just have a quick overview of the product that we can find on Temu. Then here is my eBay account. Okay, so going back here on this section. Okay, so let's say we are going to look for a product that is trending as of the moment here on Temu. Okay, so you can go to the bestseller section or go to the we also have categories here if you want to be specific with what kind of products that you are looking for. So I think this socks will do. Okay, so let's focus on footwear, or if you like to sell this flashlight or fun, so you can do that as well. But in this video, I'm just going to resell this product. So disclaimer, we are going to do this manually. So this is a manual drop shipping. Okay, so we have to put our effort here. Since Temu doesn't have the feature yet to drop ship products to other platforms. Okay, so we are going to get the details of this product. So to get back on this product later on, we just have to add this to our wish list. Okay, so just have to scroll down and click on this heart icon, and then this product will be automatically added to our wish list. Okay, so when you are drop shipping products from Temu to your eBay store, I suggest you look for 20 different products, and then you have to add it to your wish list so that you can get back to those products later on. Okay, so we have to add those products one by one to our eBay store. So going back here, we just have to open our eBay store and then click on the sell button that's tab. Then right here, we just have to click on list an item option. Okay, and then right here, we can now start our listing. So let's go back on Temu. So here, just have to copy the title of this product. So that is why it is very important. We are going to do the listing first on Temu so that we can use it later on eBay. Okay, so you just have to click on search after that. And then if you found relevant products or matches here, you can continue with those products. But if you would like to continue without match, so you just have to click on this option at the bottom. Then here for the select the condition of your item. So if your item is new with tags, new without tags, or new with defects, or pre-owned, so you just have to click on continue. Then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And right here, you just have to complete your listing. Okay, so first we have to drag the photos and video in this section. So we have to manually download the details of this product. So of course, including the relevant videos, relevant images, as well as the price and the description of this product. So we can use online tool on how to get all of the information of that specific product automatically. But for this video, I'm just going to download the relevant images that I'm going to use later on. Okay, so I think 3 images would do for this one. Okay, so just have to download those images. So I think this would be the last one. Okay, so you just have to save it on your folder so you can find it later on immediately. Okay, so let's go back here and let's drag the photos. So let's go to our computer and then open our folder, and then you just have to select the images or videos that we have downloaded from Temu. Okay, so just have to, let me just upload the other one. Okay, so just click on upload it from computer. Okay, so here is the image, so just click on open after that. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one, which is the title. So if you would like to change the title of the product, then you can change it, but I will leave this one as it is. And here for the item category, we have shoes or socks. Here for the item specific, so this field is required, so make sure to fill this out because you cannot publish your product if you're not going to fill this field here. So we have the brand, the type, the style, the size, the department, and as well as the color. Okay, and then for the additional section, so this section is optional, so we can leave this one. But if you would like to add additional information, so you can fill out this form. And finally, here in the description section, we have to include that these products are from Temu or originally from Temu. So, for example, disclaimer, this product is originally from Temu, and then once you place an order, we will be the one who will order the product for you. So, if you are reading this message and you agree to our terms, then you'll get the products according to the delivery time. Okay, so since this is a manual dropshipping, you really have to tell your customers that this product is not originally from you. And then if they really wanted to get this product either way, so just have to place their order. So you just have to order the product to Temu and then put all of their billing information, of course, and then after that they'd be able to get the product. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Let's go to the pricing section. So here we have the format, the price, and then if you would like to require immediate payment when buyer uses buy it now, so we have to check this box since this is a manual drop shipping. Okay, so I'm just going to toggle the switch on for this one. Okay, so I don't have to allow offers. Okay, and then of course for the shipping method, we have the standard shipping, and then we have the package weight, the package dimensions. So we just have to fill this form. Okay, and then here for the domestic shipping, we also have the cost type, then the rate table. And finally, after filling out all of the needed information, so you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you just have to click on the listed option. So once done, this product will be published to your store. So let me just preview this product. Okay, so this is how it's going to look in your store. So when someone visited your store and then they click on this buy now option or buy it now option, okay, so they'll be directed to the payment method. And then of course we have here the title of the product and our shop's name. So once you're okay with the preview of this product, so you just have to click on listed. And okay, so right here we'll be able to see here the other details of the product, so you just have to do it manually. So we hope that in the near future Temu would have its feature on how we can dropship products automatically. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.